But I'm thinking though, I think I want to make a crochet star. That's what I think I want to do. I'm going to make a crochet star. So we're going to use the magic loop. So we wrap it around like this. Put your hook below the loop. Pull through like that. Wrap it over. And work a chain one. Oops, we fell off the screen a little bit. We're going to work through the... How many do we want to make? 1, 2, 3. Okay, see, we're using the J6 hook right there. J6 crochet hook. 6 millimeters, if we can get it to come in. This is such a horrible setup right here. This is like one of the worst setups that I have ever had related to crocheting. I used to do it with a video camera, and then I would switch it over to the computer. I mean, it's much easier doing it this way. It's just that the tripod and my tabletop device here, it's not tall enough. But see, I have another tripod that's a little bit taller, but it topples over because the camera is top heavy. Okay, so now I'm going to pull it shut. You see that? That's how magic this thing is. See, it pulled shut there. Okay, so now I want to make a star, a crochet star. I'm not sure how big we'll make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's work with 6. Okay, so we'll do a single crochet, a half double crochet, and then we'll do a double crochet, and one more double crochet, and then a triple crochet, and triple crochet, just like that. We'll skip one and then work a slip stitch in the next. So we have got one. This also could double as even a sea turtle fin too. Now it really could if we were making a sea turtle, but it's just going to be a wonky looking star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, single crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet in the next chain, double crochet, and then triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then we will skip one and work a slip stitch in the next. Okay, so we've got 2 fins right here, 2 little fins. We are going to get this star done. We're going to get this star done. Any comments? Anyone have any comments they want to leave in the comment section? I seem to get more when I did the drawings for some reason. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Because we were kind of guessing at what I was drawing. And I had some ideas. 1 single crochet. We're doing a half double crochet. Then a double crochet. And then we're going to do another double crochet. Oops, we don't want to go on the same one. We want to go on the next one. Double crochet. Double crochet. Now what the network people, and then we're doing triple crochet for our last one here. The network people and the email list people are telling YouTubers to go into niches that they don't know anything about. And that's why they have them talking about crochet, even though a lot of them don't know anything about it. Now, there are some who actually learn how to crochet, and they learn something new from, uh, uh, that they put on their channel every once in a while, or it's stock footage that someone else has made for them. My gosh, that would be a fun job if someone hired me to make some stock footage for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would make some videos if I was hired just to make stock footage for Hollywood or something like that. If they needed some crochet videos, I mean, I would make something like this maybe for $1,000 a video. I mean, they're loaded. They got lots of money. I could really, really use a job. I mean, because the thing is with gig work, oh, oh, can I get you guys to thumbs up that video, subscribe, and share it with your friends? I know that sounds so spammy, doesn't it? Very, very spammy. I am so sorry about the spam here, guys. And crochet is very repetitive. And that's why I use the word that it sucks, because it's a very small niche. And so people who crochet, I am going to gripe about it. I am most definitely going to gripe about it because of the fact that I think that the people who hadn't... Oh, this is cute. This is actually cute. Now, I could stop right here. It does. It looks like a sea turtle, doesn't it? It is. It's going to be a star, but it looks like a sea turtle. It's so simple, but it could be a sea turtle or a human or a person. Okay, so now we're going to do another chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to single crochet in the next chain. So we can't go through the same one. If we go through the same one with a slip stitch, we'll just be pulling the yarn through, and we won't be getting anywhere at all. We'll just be pulling the yarn through, and that would be so ridiculous for us to keep doing that over and over again, because it's not going to work. The sign of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and getting the same results, which is it's not working. And, I am going to talk about politics a little bit here, just briefly, that politics in the United States is not working. It's just not working. Okay, so we are done with our star here. You guys see this? We are done. There's our star. There's our crochet star. Okay, let's let it sit right there. That's really cute. Actually, it is cute. It is a cute star. Now, I kind of like, and it does look like a star too. But I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to make another, stitch and see if I can do it off the cuff here. It's been a while since I've done it, so I'm just pulling this stuff out of my